I'm gonna get started with the marshmallows. So water and gelatin into your mixing bowl, or my mixing bowl. And then I'm gonna set that aside, I mean, I guess literally, and now I'm gonna make the sugar syrup. I just poured in some sugar and some water. Also, can we note the drastic increase in quality of the rubber spatula in this video? You're gonna turn on the heat, bring it up to 238 degrees Fahrenheit, and remove it from the heat. It's pretty easy. Now hot sugar is going into the pan. This is the most terrifying thing in the world. Also, you can see that like I accidentally like had the sides crystallize, and I tried to like fix it. This is the first time that I've tried to do that versus making it again because I don't have the time to make it again. So like we're gonna see if it works. I'm gonna like hold on to the whisk with my hand and just mix it so that it melts the gelatin evenly. Bowl goes in. Also, I don't know if I ever told you guys, but when I was shooting unicorn for the first time, I was making cinnamon buns in this, and because it was like bread dough and it was like really moving the machine around, the machine fell off the counter while it was on. Still works though, so point to KitchenAid. All right, and 8 minutes. Here we go. Yes, that's locked good. Now I'm just gonna add some vanilla extract. See how like slow that is falling? That is the texture that you want. This little boy came to see marshmallows. Okay, thank you for your service. Thank you. This weighs like nothing. And then to the rest, I'm gonna add some pink. We're ready. I'm sweating because of freaking marshmallows. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I have the mold that I'm gonna use for the actual bombs next to where I'm gonna pipe because I wanna make sure the marshmallows fit in. Oh my god, that is so ugly. It's so bad. Okay, like way harder than I expected it to be. If you try this, print out a template, put it underneath the parchment. That will save you. So I wanna make 3 different colors of bombs. Dark brown, technically black, but like I don't have black chocolate, and white and pink, because like that's very Chanel. Also, like every time I say bomb, I'm so worried that YouTube is gonna like flag the video. So I have oil-based food coloring. Oh my god, they didn't even put the labels on here. Like there's nothing. Look at how freaking pretty that color is, my gosh. And in it goes. Also, I thought it would be fun to like wear the brand that I'm doing the video about, except I can't afford Chanel clothing. Top of a shot glass. Try to sketch it in. I have been working quietly on my website. It's almost ready. It's very us in that it's like very cute and pink and just like, oh my god, I think you guys will like it so much. And Paddington and Treacle are starting their own websites too. It's gonna be like gradual, okay? Because like we've all seen me try to take on too much at once and then I like flop. So we're not doing that this time. We're gonna be smart. So it's finally the assembly time, whatever. We're gonna pour some hot water into a bowl. And we're gonna wait until the plate gets like a little bit warm. I'm gonna take one half, the half that isn't decorated, and just like flip it upside down just for like a second. A little bit more, maybe push it a little bit. There you go. And then I'm gonna like return it to its little base. Cocoa powder, granulated sugar, maybe like a little bit less sugar because we have the chocolate. I'm gonna put some little mini marshmallows on top, and then the little Chanel marshmallow on top. Okay, I am so proud. There we go. Okay, so now let's just put one of the Chanel bombs into a mug, get some hot milk. And look at that. Okay, the marshmallow looks really cute, but I think I would make it thicker because it's melting like a little quickly. And let's try it. I mean, it's hot chocolate, but I want it anyway. Anyways, if you want the full recipe for the homemade marshmallows, recipe is linked here. And I will see you guys next Saturday for another video. It's another Fashion Week one and it's gonna be really good. Bye!